Cochlear implants are a surgical device that's implanted into the cochlea, which is the organ of hearing. It bypasses a damaged cochlea. So most people have hearing loss because the little tiny hair fibers, hair cells inside the inner ear, have become damaged to the point where they don't respond to sound anymore. The cochlear implant sends little electronic pulses to the ear, which the nerve then takes to the brain, and the brain eventually can interpret these little nerve pulses as sound. So for some people who can't even hear with a hearing aid, this is a miracle for them. It helps restore sound to a point that they can go back out and function in their lives. They can go talk to their grandchildren again. They can go to parties. And it's different from a hearing aid because it works with that electronic signal versus the acoustic signal that a hearing aid is going to push into the ear. Cochlear implant is going to be surgically implanted. You also would be wearing something over the ear and it attaches on the head. A hearing aid is solely going to be external and in the ear canal.